What's up everyone, welcome back to the Coral Reef Talk. This is the final episode of Halloween, and if you're joining us for the first time on the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button and check the bell icon while you're down there to be notified every single time I make a new video. Now, the first video of this week was updates on the 210-gallon aquarium that you see behind me. So real quick, I just wanted to ask how many of you guys have attack clownfish? I mean, when I was moving the toadstool leather around to get him in a better position, my Ocellaris clownfish just nipped at my fingers. And I don't know if you can see this on the camera, but they got me right between my fingers, and that hurts a lot. But at least I know these little fish are protecting their territory, and believe me, they're ferocious. Then after that, we took a look at Cobalt Aquatics' brand new ultra pellet foods, the slow sinking pellets that my fish enjoy. Then we took a look at a DIY fish food that you can make in 5 minutes with Dr. Tim's beneficial fish food. Then after that, we took a look at the filter media cup that goes right in your sump. It can replace filter socks for you, so it's quick and easy. Put your filter media in there, you know how it works. Go ahead and check out that video. But if you want a chance to win Cobalt Aquatics Ultra Pellet Food, there's a contest going on right now for that. Or if you want a filter media cup, there's a contest for that as well. Just watch those videos to find out more information. Now, I wanted to make this last video to ask you guys what you think about the Coral Reef Talk channel and what type of videos you would like to see. Do you want to see more product reviews? Do you want to see more aquarium updates? Do you want to see more vlog type videos where I go behind the scenes of my reef tank and we take a look at the sump and how things work and my maintenance schedule and stuff like that? Let me know in the comment sections below. But I had a lot of fun making videos this week. I hope you guys enjoyed them. Let me know how I did in the comments. Thank you so much to each and every one of you guys that subscribe to the channel, and I want to put a goal out there. Now, the goal is that we can get to 10,000 subscribers by Christmas. If each and every one of you got just one of your friends to join the family here at the Coral Reef Talk, we would reach that goal no problem. But that's the goal, that's the mark to hit, 10,000 subscribers by Christmas, and I think it could happen. We have a great thing going on here. Thank you so much for everything that you guys do, all of the support in the comment sections below. And as always, I hope you enjoy the content and you learn something every time you check out a video, and I'll see you next time on the Coral Reef Talk.